Ooh, you're about to find out what happens when you blend fresh Canadian ingredients with Caribbean flavors. It's this perfect twist of warm spice, a touch of sweetness, and Caribbean heat to really fire up your grill. And we are excited to have Chef Noel Cunningham back in the Your Morning kitchen. We have some really delicious recipes for people to try. I cannot wait. If you want to make them, scan the QR code on your screen. Welcome back to the kitchen.
Thank you for having me.
Listen, this is Canadian summer weather. We were supposed to be on the patio. We brought you inside.
But this is Canada, right?
This is what it is.
That's what they say.
Yeah. Listen, this is a really great meal to plan. If you've got people coming over, you want to use the grill. This is salmon, which I love.
And it's easy to cook as well.
And I don't often see it in a skewer like this.
Yeah, definitely, and it's easy to eat. And then, so the star of this dish today is really the chimichurri. And I'm adding some Scotch bonnet pepper to this just to take it to a next level. And you know, this is where now, you know.
This is where the heat comes in.
Yes, so it's over now to you.
Over to me?
Yeah. So,
okay, what am I doing?
For all the Argentina fans, right? This is a nice herbaceous sauce.
Okay.
That is fresh. So I'm gonna add some parsley to this.
Parsley? Am I using the whole thing?
Yeah, you can go for it.
Okay.
Then some cilantro, which is very controversial.
Yeah, I like cilantro. I do. I have a
yeah, some oregano.
Okay.
And then some garlic.
Okay.
Got some garlic here.
Yeah, I don't like last time.
And then now we have some oil here.
Okay.
I'll add some vinegar to this as well.
And is this, okay, I'll stir, you do.
Some red wine vinegar as well.
Is this a sauce for after, or is this a marinade that we're doing?
So this is sauce after.
After sauce.
Some salt. And of course, this is where you come in now.
I'm gonna try one.
Yeah.
There's no seeds, right? I'll be fine with the Scotch bonnet?
Look at this now.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
And some fresh lime juice. So I'm gonna add some to this.
Okay, how much am I adding?
Just to your taste or liking. It's hot, right? So
it is hot.
Yeah.
But
and this is where the Caribbean now meets, you know, the Canadian barbecue.
Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna put about this much in.
Yes.
Because I feel like I'm not sure what my friends like.
And it's always to taste, right? So what?
Yeah, and it's peppery hot. Like it's not like nail gun in your mouth hot. It's
just add some flavor. And then this is best to sit like for maybe half an hour, and then we're gonna add this now to our skewers.
Okay.
So these, we season these with salt, pepper, some paprika.
Yep.
Flash them on the grill, 2 to 3 minutes per side.
2 to 3 minutes per side.
And your guests will be enjoying some nice salmon. And do this on barbecue season. I like to utilize my grill as you know, as much as possible.
Yes.
And then we just.
Now, are you a fair weather griller? Because Kelsey, she grills in the winter.
I do too.
You do?
Oh yeah.
Like toucan hat and mitts.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
all right.
It's all.
I can't wait to try.
We barbecue 365, right, Kelsey?
Am I taking this now?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't get any for you, sorry.
That's okay. And add a little chimichurri.
Yeah, put some right on there. Oh, chef.
And I think it says Canadian barbecue, like some grilled salmon.
Atlantic salmon.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the heat and the tang from the lime.
Yeah, fresh. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'm very. Go ahead. What were you gonna say?
No, I'm gonna say now we need a starch, right? We need some potatoes. We need something to go with that.
This butter sauce, though. This is maple jerk.
Maple jerk. Oh. Some thyme, some garlic. So what we do now, so we season our potatoes, some oil, salt, pepper, season it. Then we put these in a foil on the grill and let it do its thing, and we'll see a nice reveal like this.
Yep. Make this sauce for me, chef, because I'm excited.
So we melt our butter in this pot here with some maple syrup, some jerk seasoning, some thyme and garlic, and that's it.
Okay.
That's magic, and then here we go.
Oh,
and of course, you could use yam, sweet potatoes. You could use
sweet potatoes would be really good. And then some more Scotch bonnet. No, I'm just kidding.
No, no more. Yeah, here we go.
Okay, let me try these potatoes. They look and smell beautiful. I wish you could smell this sauce.
Yeah.
I want my whole house to smell like it.
A smell-o-vision. A smell-o-vision instead of television, right? And then we have our drink.
That is so good.
To cool things down now, we have a watermelon lemonade. Strawberry watermelon lemonade, which use coconut water instead of regular water.
Oh, refreshing.
Yeah, refreshing, just to...
You gonna pour me a glass? Because I'm gonna eat
stay hydrated.
Now, you can add a little something stronger.
Oh, yeah, you know I'm all about that life, right?
Make that a 19-plus drink if you wanted, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Add some percentage to it. As a Jamaican. And what I did, I'm done earlier, so I've grilled this lemon, so you can always use some grilled lemon in your lemonade, just to add that smokiness, that barbecue flavor.
Ooh, that's a good tip.
Yeah, so we're gonna add some on top. And then we can add a little mint here to garnish.
Okay, I will not get ahead of you. Here we go.
That's okay. So, and this is where we take the barbecue inside, right? You can still have the barbecue vibes anywhere.
That's right.
The energy, yeah.
Barbecue is a spirit.
Oh, yeah. It's a spirit.
Okay, cheers, my friends.
Cheers.
To summer and to grilling.
Let's pretend there's some percentage in it.
And to Canada Meets the Caribbean.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, well done, chef.
It's very refreshing, yeah.
Reminder, scan the QR codes. This sauce, amazing. You're gonna want this. We'll be right back.